The reason why I picked practical woodwork is because I'm more of a kinesthetic learner. So that basically means that I learn by doing it. So like measurements, I wouldn't learn by someone showing me, I would learn by doing it myself. What you should expect from the course is to put a lot of hard work into like graft, because you've got a time limit on when your project's for, because you're moving on to like so many projects, but it's worth it at the end, because if you put enough hard work in, you'll get N5 woodwork, and you should expect, if you have Mr. Starling, a lot of nicknames. In my opinion, the best thing about the course is that you're not on the computers as much as like in D&M and graphics. I wasn't really into the computers and that. I'm more into like building stuff and just getting the work done.